Making it to Veterans Info Tap. Glad you made it. Wanted to talk to you about some information that came out from the VA, that the VA has now expanded their emergency mental health care to all veterans, regardless of if they're enrolled or not in the VA system. This is very, very important, and for a couple different reasons, and I'm going to get into that here. Please hit that thumbs up for me, subscribe, share with a friend, all that good stuff. Helps get this information out there, that little notification bell, whatever. All that stuff, please do that for me. Comment below. Why this is important is, one, okay, beyond the fact that it's the right thing to do, okay? So we got that piece covered. There's 16.5 million veterans in the U.S. 16.5. Sadly, about 12 million of them are not receiving 12 million veterans are not receiving any sort of VA compensation, whether it's through disability compensation or through the VA pension, which is a low or no income type of subsidy, basically, safety net for veterans. So there's very few in the big picture on pension. Way more are on the compensation side. So why this is important is you have 12 million veterans that are not connected to the VA that potentially could have some sort of a mental health crisis, emergency situation, that now they can go get this care for free. So that's very important in itself. Now, this also is a doorway into the VA system. So now you have a veteran, just think this through, a veteran who is not receiving any sort of VA compensation type of benefit that they are probably able to obtain. They just don't have the right information. They didn't hear about the right, they didn't hear it the right way in order to, click the switch to understand that, hey, that is something that I would be eligible for. Now they're showing up at the VA, and guess what's going to happen? Is they're going to the VA, and maybe not the first or second trip there, but as they kind of go there a little more frequently, maybe they're going to start to have conversations with other veterans who are going to turn them on to other benefits. And that's why this is so powerful, because once we get us in a room, we start talking and we'll start to share information. And that's what this is right here. This YouTube channel is really a room where we can get together and start telling each other things that we found out so we can benefit from each other's knowledge. And that's what the comment section's for, right? So at least that's how I view all this stuff, is that the more that we can collaborate, work together, share information, learn from each other, the better. So with that, I just wanted to share that information, push that out there real quick, so that way everybody knows that on January 17th, which is a Tuesday, January 17th, coming up in a couple days, the VA is opening up emergency mental health care to any veteran free of charge. So super important for all kinds of reasons, and just glad that I'm able to get that information out there, and hope that somebody hears it that needs it and it helps. So thanks again. I appreciate each and every one of you. And remember, hey, if we don't take care of each other, something went wrong.